Om Shanti. Today is 24th June 2022 and we shall listen to Mateshwariji's elevated versions. These versions were spoken by Mateshwariji on 15th December 1963. The title for today's Murli, Action is the Reason for Happiness and Sorrow. So Mateshwariji's sweet elevated versions to be read in class on the day of remembrance of Mama. Every human being knows that happiness and sorrow in life are the result of our actions. We must definitely have performed such actions previously, for which we have to experience their consequence in the form of happiness or sorrow. So happiness and sorrow are connected with our actions. Karma cannot be called destiny, kismat. Some think that it is in their destiny and so they consider happiness and sorrow to be their destiny. This is like saying that God created your destiny or someone else created it. This is why they say it is in their destiny. However, it is necessary to understand who creates our destiny. God did not create our destiny. It isn't that our destiny has been created in advance. No. The happiness and sorrow that people experience are created by human beings themselves because it is human beings who perform actions. This is why it is our own responsibility. Mama means to say that we have to take this responsibility on ourselves. Acha, to the sweetest children, love, remembrances and namaste. Blessing for today is, may you be liberated in life and constantly have spiritual intoxication by remaining aware of your worthy of worship form. I repeat, may you be liberated in life and constantly have spiritual intoxication by remaining aware of your worthy of worship life, worthy of worship form. The pleasure of Brahmin life is in the stage of liberation in life. Those who remain constantly aware of their worthy of worship form cannot have their eyes drawn to anything except the Father. All the people and all possessions themselves bow down in front of worthy of worship souls. Worthy of worship souls are never attracted to anything. Worthy of worship souls are never attracted to anything. They don't know. Mama says, they do not bow down in their minds or intellects to anyone, not even their own bodies, relations, possessions or sanskars. They are never tied in any bondage and constantly continue to experience the stage of liberation in life. Today's slogan is, true servers are instruments and those who have humility. True servers are instruments and those who have humility. Om